In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add another account on Facebook app. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off open up Facebook app. If you have already logged in the sound Facebook account, you need to log out there. So head over to menu. Then scroll down to the bottom and the top at log out, and then log out again. That will move you to the login page, and to log into your another account. Just hit at log into another account, obviously. After that, enter your mobile number or email in the first text field and account's password in the second. After that, hit a log into your another account. And once you did that, anyone to switch to your previous account, all you have to do is log out from your current account, and you will be taken to this page. And from here, you can easily switch between all of your Facebook accounts. Just hit at your account's name to switch date. That's how it's done now. You can write down in the comments if you have any questions about the tutorial. And also, I recommend you to check out my Facebook tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.